Tell us about this plane you're flying, Larry.
It's an old airplane. It's probably one of the oldest airplanes I have. It's a Taylorcraft, made by E-Flight, 480 motor, 2200 kV battery. And you can actually count the revolutions on the prop when it flies by.
Wow. That's a slow flyer, huh?
Yeah, look at it.
Are you going to crash it today for us?
No.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Why do I have the camera on then?
Count the revolutions on the propeller.
It's going pretty slow since you have it turned off.
And it likes to fly straight up.
See if you can make your wheels touch the tree, huh?
I'm not going to do it, Everett.
I don't think that was an accident.
How about an inverted spin?
Yeah, to do it.
You about had a midair. You about had a midair twice.
With that bird?
Yeah. Two different birds. That one was real close.
He really was, wasn't he? He was kind of getting involved.
He thought you was a new girlfriend. You ran away from him.
There you go. Who knows how to... Needs a little bit more tail weight to keep the tail up, so do a nice flat spin.
It flies inverted without any elevation change at all, so I'm going to leave it alone.
Yeah. I used to put different weights on the back end to do different tricks.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, you got to watch out how you fly them when you gas that low.
Exactly.
Keep an eye on it, Pete.
I got it. Yeah, it helps to keep your eye on them. Oh, open would be nice.
Do some more of that over here, Larry. Closer. Closer.
No. What, she got peppers?
Yeah,
The ones that were...
peppers, put the hot peppers. How about you got that? You didn't want none, and Jeff said he's coming. See some rice, I had no flip, so white, so I gave him to him.
That's an easy flying airplane, Jeff.
Looks like it is.
It enjoys itself. I'll give it a try.
Don't you?
Yeah.
Nope.
You sure?
Nope. I'm filming.
It's not going to have too much elevation. Flared it too much.
Wow, that was neat.
Still worked out.
Flared it way too much.